Hey guys, PepperAmmy here, and this week we are not necessarily cooking something. We are doing a PepperAmmy tries. Now this is a Cornishman trying haggis for the first time. Now, I saw this in Aldi's. I know, shouldn't name drop. It's an incredibly crinkly packet, and yeah, I just thought to myself, why not? Never had it before. Oh, that looks appealing. Yeah, nothing screams appetizing like just a chunky brown slug of lung. So anyway, the ingredients in this one, 25% pork lung, which is weird. I thought it'd have been like sheep, but you know, we're going with a pork lung, so I guess it's not traditional haggis. But also that's not like sheep stomach, so. And water, beef liver, beef suet, oatmeal, pinhead oatmeal, lamb lung. Okay, so there is 5% lamb lung in there. If I can't taste the lamb lung, I'm going to be disappointed. Pearl barley, kibbled onion, salt, ground pimentos, and some black pepper. So yeah, anyway, this was just something that was in Aldi's, and I was like, yeah, why not? Why not? So you can microwave it. It does have metal clips on it. So if you want to do that, you've got to take the metal clips off. Obviously. You can cook it in the oven, and I was reading the oven cooking instructions, and yeah, no. Because that requires putting it in the oven for 75 minutes. So I'm going to boil it instead, which only takes a mere 45 minutes. So you want to remove the outer packaging, done. Leave the film with the clips intact, done. Wrap the haggis in foil, not done yet. Add to a pan of water so the haggis is covered in water. Bring to the boil and then gently simmer for 45 minutes. Now this isn't dinner, this is just basically, I saw this in the shop, I wanted to try it. Yeah. So here we are. Out of all the great life choices that 2025 has brought us so far, trying haggis for the first time is now on the list. There you go, looks like a dodgy sweet shop sweet. Put a little twist in the end there. Yeah, lovely, lovely. I think. So anyway, yeah, obviously I'm Cornish. Scotland is literally the other side of the country. So why not give it a go? So I'm going to stick this on to boil for the next 45 minutes, which is going to be... Oh, it is going to be done in time for dinner. Lovely. Alright, we are back, hopefully with the microphone recording properly. It has probably been long enough for that to be cooking. I'm not sure how I'm going to go about this. I'm probably going to stick it in a bowl and let it cool down. It has escaped slightly. The tin foil. Yeah, we can see. Split the tin foil open nicely. It actually smells quite nice. If I can not throw it on the floor, that'd be cool. I don't know if it's actually hatched. I don't think it's hatched. It smells like quite black puddingy. And to be honest, I do like myself a bit of black pudding. Alrighty, we are back. Enough procrastinating from me, I think. Perhaps. Right. What knife do we want to use? Use the big boy knife. Use the medium boy knife. Oh boy. A very dark tea. Right, I don't know what to expect. I don't know what the texture's going to be like. I don't know if I can slice it like a sausage or if it's just going to crumble and mush. I'm going to say it's probably going to crumble and mush, right? Although... it smells very black puddingy. Let me just peel that off. Ooh. Right. In for a penny, in for a pound, I guess. So yeah, it looks, yeah. You see the oats. I say, really hope I can taste that 5% lamb lung, was it? Where is it? I'm not procrastinating, it's fine. Lamb lung, yes, the 5% lamb lung. I'm gonna go for a smaller chunk. Like, I like black pudding and stuff like that, so I can't see this being bad. Oh. I mean... it definitely tastes like the oats and stuff. No, it's not bad. Yeah, it's kind of... it's very dense, obviously. It's like packed full of oats and stuff. But yeah, it's like a little bit more fatty than you would expect, but it's also got all those oats that kind of make it a lot more dense. I mean, would I have it every day? No. Would I have it again? Possibly. I mean, like, it's not terrible. It's genuinely not terrible. You can taste like the black pepper. I'm pretty sure there's another black pepper in there. There's like that little black peppery, yeah, ground black pepper. In all honesty, it's the ground black pepper that's coming through the most. Like, out of everything in there. But then again, I couldn't just go like, just with a random meat. Oh, that's lamb lung. Or oh, that's pig lung. Yeah, pork lung, beef liver, beef suet, oatmeal lamb lung, pearl barley. It is what it is. I was expecting it to be so much worse, but no, it's actually... I mean, to be fair, if you slice it, if it holds its shape and you can slice it and then fry it, I think that would be like good to go with a fry up in place of like black pudding. I might actually see if I can slice it and have that as like a weekend treat. Oh, that's weird. Weird. Calling haggis a treat. But yeah, genuinely, it's a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be. See if we can improve it with just a little bit of hot sauce. I'm on a sriracha binge at the moment. I'm a mix between my peri-peri sauces and my sriracha. I mean, is that offensive to, I guess, the Asians and the Scots combining sriracha and haggis? I mean, like, genuinely, it's good. As I say, it's not something I'd get for dinner like every day or once a week, but like if it did come up in the shop again, then maybe. If you like what you saw, let me know down below with a like and a comment. If you're indeed new here, feel free to subscribe for free weekly cooking content, and I'll see you all again next week. Thanks for watching.